Welcome to another video. Today we're going to use ARs only. After the series we're going to reflect back and see, and we will see which challenge got the most kills, which gun's better doing that only challenge. So yeah, let's get into it. Please subscribe and like the video so other people can see it and watch my videos, and then they can like and subscribe. Guys, please don't comment, don't be rude in the comments to stop me from from doing YouTube. You're not gonna stop me. I'm only going to film when there's people nearby, so when there's shooting, so it doesn't get boring, or if I'm in a fight or something. Just give me an AR or I'm gonna die. No. Yes, finally an AR. I almost just died. I'm allowed to swap ARs. So I don't keep the same one. This was easy. This is probably the easiest because every time you die you get an AR. Tell me in the comments if you guys had it where you guys spawn in, but for some reason you don't get an AR. Like, what are you supposed to do? Try and find movement so you don't die? And that's a glitch, but like, bro. Just trying to get his attention. Come on, Scooby, peek out, peek out. Come on. Hopefully you guys can see my kills. I'm sorry that my camera's terrible. As this is the one I went into it to get a camera. Because I'm filming on my phone. Yep, this game's cooked. Tell me if you think it was a hacker. I don't think it was. It might have died. Hacker because I'm bad. I don't know. I just think it is. Yep, I'm dead. I almost killed him though. Guys, what's your opinion on this AR? I hate it. But I got to use it until for another one. Hopefully I don't die. I mean, also, actually, yeah, hopefully I do die and hopefully I don't die. Because if I die, I use a life, but if I die, I get decent. Or not. It's a decent AR as well. I don't know where's the ammo. Where's some my kill? Please run out. Oh, that guy almost done my kill. Oh, he stole my kill as well, man. I would have been on 3 kills. Probably. 4 kills. 5! Oh my god, 5 people. 4 people have stolen my kill. What is this game? It's only else kills this guy. Or if I die, I don't know. Finally! Finally getting some kills, man. But I need to get some kills. Thank you. GG's. If somebody else steals my kill, that means 5 kills have been stolen. They did still kill. I'm racking up these points now. I have to reload, man. You know what? You might think this is cheating, but I'm gonna use 2 ARs. Cause bro, reloading hurts, and since I can only use 1 gun, I'm going to die a lot, and I've only got 2 lives left. Don't even need to open chest, but some stuff fun. Easy kill. Trying to clutch with this. Come on. Maybe. Oh. This is a risk. This is a sweat. And oh yeah, got 1 left. I did this guy, does it come too quick? What was that placement? But then if you could double it, like. I'm not gonna friend you guys if you wanna be friends, if you wanna play with me. Because I'm not that good. I know you guys can probably carry me, but I don't want to be carried either. I need to get this ready. Come on. Stop hiding. Stop moving, man. You might be able to kill me. Whatever, bro. Well, everybody keeps running away from me. Oh, I went so far. Come on, give me 9 kills. Eight, 10 kills. Come on, Sandy's here. Oh, what are you doing? Finally found one of them. I was so confused. Thank you for giving his position. I know there's no one there, but just to get my attention. Yeah. Even with switching, it's still outside, bro. Come on. I need to lock in. I know. Stupid thing again. Well, you're not gonna give me this time. Okay, never mind. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye.